Tired of paying for cloud storage and having companies like Google or Apple scan your files? Well, today I'm going to show you, step by step, how to turn a tiny Raspberry Pi into your very own personal cloud server using NextCloud. This is just like having your own Google Drive, but it's completely private and under your control. You'll get automatic file syncing across all your devices, encrypted storage, phone backups for your photos and contacts, and secure remote access from anywhere in the world. And the best part? No monthly fees. First up, what do you need? It's pretty simple. You'll want a Raspberry Pi 3 or 4 for storage. A 64GB SD card or an SSD will get you started. You'll also need a power supply and an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. And if you want to really expand your storage, grab an optional USB hard drive. We'll get to that in a bit. Alright, let's get the operating system. Head over to the official Raspberry Pi website and download the Raspberry Pi imager. Once you have it installed, open it up. For the OS, choose Raspberry Pi OS Lite 64-bit. Then, select your SD card as the storage medium and click Write. The imager will handle the rest. Once the SD card is ready, pop it into your Pi, plug everything in, and boot it up. You'll need to log in. The default username is Pi, and the password is Raspberry. The very first thing we should always do is run some updates to make sure everything is secure and up to date. Just type in 2 commands, sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade. Why? This might take a few minutes, so go grab a coffee. With our Pi updated, it's time to install Nextcloud. We're going to use the official installer, which makes this super easy. Just run this one single command in your terminal. curl //ssl https://install nextcloudpi.com /. This script is amazing. It automatically installs Nextcloud itself, the database, all the necessary web server components, and a really handy admin panel called NextCloudPi. After the installation finishes, it's time to access our new cloud dashboard. In the terminal, type sudo ncp. This opens the NextCloudPi panel. Navigate to Config and then select Activate. Now, open a web browser on your computer and type in your Pi's IP address. You should see the Nextcloud login screen. It will show you an auto-generated username and password. Make sure you save these somewhere safe. A 64GB card is a good start, but we want more space, right? This is where that external USB drive comes in. Plug it into your Pi. Then, run sudo ncpconfig again. Inside the panel, you'll find options to format the USB drive, mount it, and then move the Nextcloud data directory to it. Just follow the prompts for format, USB, mount USB, and then data. Now, all your files will be stored safely on that external drive. So how do we get files onto our cloud? To sync files from your computer, go to the Nextcloud website and download the official desktop app. Install it, and then log in using the credentials you saved earlier. Now, you can just drag and drop files and folders into the Nextcloud folder on your computer, and they'll instantly sync up to your Raspberry Pi. It works just like Dropbox or Google Drive. What about your phone? This is one of the best features. Go to the App Store or Google Play and install the Nextcloud app. Log in, and then head to the settings. You can enable automatic backups for your photos, videos, contacts, and even your calendar. Your phone will now back itself up directly to your private Pi, not to Apple or Google's servers. This is all great when you're at home, but what about when you're out? We'll use a service called Tailscale to create a secure, private network. It's free for personal use and incredibly easy to set up. On your Pi, run this command. curl //ssl https://tailscale.com/install sh. After it installs, run sudo tailscale up. Then, visit the Tailscale website to log in and authorize your new device. That's it. Your Pi now has a private VPN address that you can use to access your files from your phone or laptop, no matter where you are in the world. Finally, let's lock things down. Security is crucial. Go back to the NextCloudPi panel. In there, you'll find options to enable HTTPS for encrypted connections, failed to ban to prevent brute force attacks, and automatic backups. And of course, make sure you change your password to something strong and unique. With these settings, your personal cloud is now encrypted and secure. And there you have it. You now have your very own private cloud server. No subscriptions, no data tracking, and it's totally under your control. If you found this helpful and want to see an advanced version of this, built with RAID storage for redundancy and automatic snapshots, comment Pi Cloud down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more projects like this.